What's up? What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. So here, we need to solve this equation. And I see a cube and an equal sign. What should I be thinking of? You're right that you would be thinking of a quadratic equation, right? Great. So that means we got to get everything to one side. So what we're going to have is a 2x to the third minus 3x squared minus 5x is going to equal to 0. That means we need to factor the left-hand side. So the GCF there is going to be an x, leaving me with a 2x squared minus 3x minus 5, and that's going to equal to 0. Well, I might have to use the AC method, but before I do that, let me draw this. So let me draw this. Okay, let me draw this. There we go. And so this is just going to remind me, hey, this x right here needs to be brought down, so I can just kind of leave it onto the side and just as a reminder. So I might have to use the AC method here. So the a times c is going to equal to negative 10. The b is going to equal to a negative 3. So I need to find two numbers multiplied together that will give me negative 10, but added together to give me a negative 3. And the answer is going to be a negative 5 and a positive 2, right? So if I multiply those two numbers, I get negative 10. If I add those two numbers, I get a negative 3. Awesome. So I found my two numbers. So now I got to split the middle term. Minus 5x plus 2x and minus 5 is equal to 0. Split it down the middle. GCF of the first group is x. You know what? Let's not confuse people. It's x, leaving me with a 2x minus 5. GCF of the second group is just a plain old 1, leaving me with a 2x minus 5. Awesome. So what's in common? The 2x minus 5. What's left? The x plus 1. And I still have this x that I needed to bring down. So there it is. So now I know. So now I got that done. I got that taken care of. Awesome. But this is still equal to 0. That means I got to take each factor and set it equal to 0. So I have x equals 0. 2x minus 5 equals 0. And I got x plus 1 equals to 0. So I'm going to have that x equals 0. I have x equals 5 halves and x equals negative 1. So the big part is this, guys. See the power right here of 3? So the higher the power, the more the solutions. Right? So if this is the third power, that means we're going to have 3 solutions. If it's only a 2, we have 2. If it's 4, we'll have 4. If it's 5, we have 5 solutions. Okay? So in this case, because it's to the third, my x is going to equal to these possibilities. I have negative 1, 0, and 5 halves. And that is going to be choice D. And there we go. Any questions? Let me know.